Good morning, students. Welcome to the English online class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, verbs, present and past tense. You know this thing very well that doing words are known as verbs. Now we'll be studying verbs in the present tense and in the past tense. See, two examples are given. Veer plays cricket. In this, the verb plays shows that the action is being done in the present tense. Okay, in the present. And see the second form, Veer played cricket yesterday. This verb played shows that the action is being done in the past. Yesterday means past, yes. The tense of a verb shows the time when the action is being done in the present or in the past. In this exercise, in this chapter, we will be studying this only. The present forms of the verbs and the past tense of the verbs. How we have to change the present tense in the past tense. See, past tense. To form the past tense of a verb, we usually add ed to the verb. See, call is a verb. C-A-L-L, call. Call is a verb. When we will add ed to it, what it will become? Called. And called is a past tense. When we have to convert the present tense into the past tense, what we do? We usually add ed to it. Call becomes called. See the second example. Walk. Walk is given. When we add ed to it, what it becomes? Walked. Yes? We usually add ed to it and we automatically convert the present tense into the past tense. See the exercise. Add ed to the following verbs to form their past tense. Now we have to form the verbs into past tense. What we have to do? We just have to add ed to it. First example is given, help. First word is given, help. When we will add ed to it, what it becomes? It becomes helped. The past tense. Hunt. H-U-N-T, hunt. When we will add ed to it, what it will become? It will become hunted. Okay? In the same way, you have to do this full exercise. A part. You just have to add ed to it. The more you will practice, the more you will be knowing very well. You just have to practice more and more. See the second part. The last letter of some verbs are doubled when ed is added to them. Yes. Words of two or more syllables ending in single vowel, C, K-N-I-T. Single vowel is there plus single consonant. T is there. Double the final consonant if the last syllable is stressed. See, one vowel is there before consonant. You know the vowels and consonant very well. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the English alphabets are consonant. When one single vowel is there before consonant and the word is ending with a single consonant, it doubles the consonant and then we have to add ed to it. Okay? See the second example, fan. One vowel is there before the consonant, then the word is ending with a single consonant. What we will do? We'll double the consonant and then we will add ed to it. This is a rule. See, in this way only we have to do this exercise. Rewrite the sentences changing the tense of the underlined verbs from the present to the past by adding ed to it. What we have to do? The verbs are already underlined. We'll be seeing these verbs and then we have to change the present tense into the past tense by adding ed to it. Because the word is ending with a single consonant and there is one vowel also before the consonant, we will double the consonant and then we will add ed to it. In the same way, we have to do the full exercise. Bunty always bats first. Bunty always batted first. What we have done? We have added one more T. We have doubled the consonant and then we have added ed to it. See the second example. Sonia grips her bag firmly. What we have done? We have doubled the consonant. We have doubled we have doubled the P, PP, and we have add ed to it. In the same way, we have to do the full exercise. Single vowel and ending the word with a single consonant, double the consonant. Okay? In this way, we will be doing the full exercise. See the 10th part. The naughty elf grins as he drops pots and pans on the floor. See, in this sentence, there are two verbs, grins and drops. What we'll be doing? We'll be doubling the consonant, double N, and we will add ed to it. And in the second one also, drops. We will double the consonant, double P, and then we will add ed to it, dropped. It will become drop. The naughty elf grinned as he dropped pots and pans on the floor. In this way, you have to do the full exercise till point 10. Okay? Okay, bye. We will meet in another video. Take care.